Good day everyone. In my presentation we are going to tackle the 4 phases growth of the bacteria, where did it start, came from so on. So these different phases came from in bacteria, wherein the division of one bacterium into 2 daughter cells in a process called binary fission. It is not like meiosis or mitosis but other process of spreading. The bacteria is asexual, meaning it don't need a partner to produce, and it is not mutation like the other. The difference in meiosis and binary fission is that it is asexual reproduction in which the body is split into 2 new bodies. Binary fission occurs when an organism copies its genetic material, or deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, and then divides into 2 halves, cytokinesis, each obtaining 1 copy of DNA. And also the resulting daughter cells are genetically identical to the original cell. Therefore, local doubling of the bacterial population occurs. Bacteria do not proliferate quickly after being inoculated into a fresh medium, and the population number remains constant. The cells are metabolically active and only grow in size during this time, known as the lag phase. Under their altered environmental conditions, they're also synthesizing the enzymes and substances required for cell division and population expansion. The population then enters the log phase, in which cell numbers rise in a logarithmic pattern and each cell production occurs at the same time interval as the one before it, resulting in a balanced increase in each cell's constituents. The log phase lasts until nutrients are depleted or harmful compounds build up, at which point cell growth slows and some cells start to die. Some bacterial species' maximal population at the end of the log phase can reach a density of 10 to 30 billion cells per milliliter under ideal conditions. The stationary phase of bacterial growth follows the log phase, in which the population size of bacteria remains constant despite the fact that some cells continue to divide and others begin to die. The death phase occurs after the stationary phase, when the death of cells in the population outnumbers the production of new cells. The amount of time it takes for the death phase to begin varies depending on the species and the medium. Bacteria do not always perish when they are deprived of nourishment and can survive for long periods of time.
Rise.